What's up, everybody? I'm here in Bangkok in the center by Central World. I'm actually in an area called the Ratchaprasong district, and around me is the Intercontinental Hotel. There's the brand new Greysorn Amarin. We've got Greysorn Village over here, Central World further down, and the other corner is Erawan Shrine, which is where I want to go. I was thinking about going there this week. I haven't spent any time actually in the shrine. I'm always observing it from above on the skywalk. So why don't I take you to that view and we kind of observe what actually happens there. Alright, so this is the skywalk view of Erawan Shrine. And just for a little context, this was built in 1956 as part of the Erawan Hotel project. And it's dedicated to Phra Prong, the Thai representation of the Hindu god Brahma, the creator god in Hindu mythology. It's right here in Ratchaprasong, and it's a very popular tourist destination. I walk by it every time I come through here and go shopping, but I've never actually gone down and taken a close look at all the happenings. But you'll see that a lot of people come here and pray for good luck, success, protection. Worshippers make offerings of flowers, incense, food. Some even pay for dancers to help push their wishes and prayers along. It's pretty interesting. And then right here in the center, which is a little bit covered up, there's a four-faced statue of the deity Prampom or Brahma, and that's kind of the unique feature of this particular shrine. So we'll take a closer look. I want to give you guys a POV, point of view shot with the GoPro, and also take some photos with my camera, my Fujifilm X100T. Hopefully I can take some nice photos while I'm here. But this way you're going to get the real experience of walking through it and seeing things up close. So follow me. enjoyed that. That was different, something new. Love to hear your thoughts. What did you think of the Erewhon Shrine? Was it did it meet your expectations? Did you have any idea what it was? Either way, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.